Tink, Tink, you getting big. What are you doing? Huh? Say, this the only time you like this thing is for playtime. Say nothing else. Nothing else. So little baby, she decided she didn't want to play in the pack and play
No, she stayed in there for a little while.
But she had a busy day today, didn't you? Look at these two.
Me too, I'm sleeping.
Look, one right there, and one over here. Baby got boo-boos, and it hurt. Did it hurt, Joya? Yeah, so she had to go today to the doctor.
6 months.
6 month update.
Update. Checkup.
Doctor checkup. So.
But everything's good with her.
So what's up? You ain't finished telling me everything. So I had to go to work. I couldn't.
No, I'll tell you.
Okay, yeah, I couldn't. I couldn't.
Just know she's fine and
I couldn't get out.
growing the way she should. She's good.
How much she weigh?
I said I'll tell you.
Oh. What you want to do, update video?
That's what the information is for, the update video. This update video.
Dang.
What?
Y'all comment and be like, yo, well, where the update video at? Where the update video?
Ask the cameraman what the update video is.
My sticky butt. But she getting big. She'll be walking before you know it.
No.
I've been everything. So while we were eating and while I was playing the game, I brought the pack and play in here. And I dropped it down low so she could see us. And she was just inside there just looking at us and having fun. You tell him how I rushed home. I was just waiting to see you.
Yeah, he got here at exactly the time it takes to get here. I was like, dang, I thought he was going to take a little while to get here, stop by somewhere. Nope, he came straight here.
I missed y'all.
No.
So it's time to get home. I was excited. We see each other every day on lunch and everything. But today was a long day. Really long. Really long day today.
Yeah, you couldn't talk to me either.
I was busy.
It was short for me. I was like, yes, got to go.
Bet you was.
Need to have a doctor's appointment every day.
Well, yeah, she about to give her a warm bath because her legs is all sore now. So we're hoping that after this bath, she can just go to sleep and knock out good for the night. What do you think?
Yeah, she must be looking good.
Look at Symbol.
On the back.
On the bottom.
I can see
Symbol.
you.
Symbol. Come here. Look at yourself. You see yourself? Get that dog. Yes, we about to get her together. We'll let y'all know how it go.
So, my loves are knocked. Both of them. They're straight knocked. Jordy's snoring, and Joy is snoring along with him. How cute is that? They're both snoring together. Wow. Yeah, so They both had extra long days today, and I had 2. It is not even 10 o'clock yet, and we're tired. It's like 9:30. Jordy been asleep since like, I don't know, close to 9. So I've been getting some stuff together for in the morning or whatever. So now it's my turn to knock out. He trying to wake up over there now. No, he's still asleep. It was just, he had to catch his breath from snoring. So yeah, I'ma shut it on down. Oh yeah, Simba's up with me, so I'm not completely alone. Hey Simba. So yeah, I'm going to bed. Good night.
Thanks for watching Meet the Chambers. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to click the subscribe button. And thanks for giving this video a thumbs up and sharing. Have a good day.